Question number 1. Which electrolyte imbalance is most commonly associated with muscle cramps? And the options are hypernatremia, hypercalcemia, hypokalemia, and hyponatremia. And the answer is option C, hypokalemia. Second question. What is the main goal of palliative care? And the options are to cure the underlying diseases, to provide relief from symptoms and stress of the illness, to prolong the patient's life at any cost, and last, to conduct research on chronic diseases. What is meant by palliative care? It is specialized medical care for people living with a serious illness such as cancer or heart failure. So it is called palliative care, and the answer is option B, to provide relief from symptoms and stress of the illness. The next question. Which laboratory test is most commonly used to diagnose diabetes mellitus? And the options are complete blood count, CBC, hemoglobin A1C, electrolyte panel, liver function test, LFT. And the answer is option B, hemoglobin A1C, HbA1c. And the question is, what is the recommended nurse to patient ratio in critical care unit according to the standard healthcare guidelines? And the options are 1:1 or 1:2, 1:4, 1:6, and 1:8. And the answer is 1:1 or 1:2. Option A. Which of the following contraceptive methods involve a surgical procedure? And the options are emergency contraception, vasectomy, contraceptive patch, and the vaginal ring. And the correct answer is vasectomy. Suitable position for rectal examination is, and the options are prone position, lithotomy position, dorsal recumbent position, and Sims position. And the answer is option D, Sims position. We have a video of medical positions on this YouTube channel. The question is the activity not recorded by pulse oximeter, and the options are pulse, oxygen, ECG changes, and SpO2. And the answer is ECG changes are not recorded by pulse oximeter. And the question is, the last pre-operative assessment of a client going for elective splenectomy will be, and the options are name band, signed consent, empty bladder, and vital signs. And the answer is option D, vital sign. Which of the following is the most important initial care when chemical burn is suspected? And the options are immediately cover the burn area, remove all dressings, provide the calm environment, and excessive flushing of water for 20 to 30 minutes. And the correct answer is option D, excessive flushing for 20 to 30 minutes. Question is, which disease not includes in Mission Indradhanushya? And the options are tetanus, diphtheria, cataract, and whooping cough. And the correct answer is option C, cataract is not includes in Mission Indradhanushya. PMJAY is an acronym for, and the options are Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Janani Arogya Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jan Swasthya Arogya Yojana, and none of this. And the correct answer is option A, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. The next question is, malaria is spread by the bite of which mosquito? And the options are female Anopheles, male Anopheles, Aedes, and Culex. And the correct answer is option A, female Anopheles mosquito. In a triage system, yellow color indicates what? And the options are emergency, urgent, non-urgent, and dead. And the answer is urgent, option B. The next question is, collapsing pulse is also known as, and the options are bigeminal pulse, second, pulsus alternans, then water hammer pulse, and bounding pulse. And the correct answer is water hammer pulse is also known as collapsing pulse. Which is the most common type of stroke? And the options are ischemic stroke, second, hemorrhagic stroke, third, transient ischemic attack TIA, and subarachnoid hemorrhage. And the correct answer is ischemic stroke. It is the most common type of stroke. In ischemic stroke, what happens? The blood supply to the brain is reduced, oxygen capacity to the brain is reduced, so it also called as ischemic stroke, and it is 87% common. The next question is, which is the drug of choice for the initial treatment of tuberculosis? And the options are rifampicin, isoniazid, ethambutol, and the combination of isoniazid and rifampicin along with the other drugs. And the correct answer is option D. Drug of choice for the tuberculosis initial treatment is combination of isoniazid and rifampicin along with the other drugs, which is used in tuberculosis treatment. How many chromosomes are there in humans? And the options are 22 pairs, 44 pairs, 32 pairs, and the 42 pairs. And the correct answer is in humans we have 22 pairs of autosomes, means XX, and one sex chromosome, means XY. So the correct answer is option A, 22 pairs. And the next question, which of the following human disease is caused by bacteria? And the options are hepatitis A, typhoid, measles, and polio. And the correct answer is typhoid. It is caused by bacteria. What is the full form of ELISA? And the options are enzyme license immune solution activity, enzyme linked immune sorbent assay, enzyme linked integrated solution activity, and enzyme lysis immune solution assay. And the correct answer is option B, enzyme linked immune sorbent assay. It means ELISA. And the last question, route of BCG vaccine, and the options are intradermal, subcutaneous, intramuscular, and intravenous. And the correct answer is intradermal.